In setting up your CMS, you have a couple of options. First, you need to decide how you're going to set it up. Are you going to set it up in labels like this that has targets, presentations? Basically, this is the terminology that you use in the classroom. And then you put everything that you need underneath of these. Or are you going to do it like this one, where they actually put the learning target and then everything that goes underneath of that target, which will allow the kids to meet that target, the next learning target, and so on and so forth. So that is what you need to do. Once you decide how you are going to set up your course, then you can begin doing your labels. You can either do your labels by simply clicking Add an Activity and creating a label, and then add, putting the label text in the box. So I'm going to put the label text here. I can expand the toolbar, highlight, change my font. Remember, this is a web editor, so there's not a lot of choices here. Bold it, change the color. So lots of different things that you can do here. Then I can save and return to the course. That's an easy way to do a label. You can insert pictures into the labels like we did with the targets up here. So there's a lot of different things that you can do. If you want to do the labels where you use the snipping tool and create it in a word processing program such as Microsoft Word or Google Docs, then you can use the snipping tool. And the next video shows you how to do that as well. So once you decide on how you're going to set up your course, and this should be basically how you decide to do it, whether you're going to do targets or whether you're going to do terminology used in the classroom, then you create your labels and set it up. I suggest doing one full block. Once you do one label, you can simply edit and duplicate. Once you duplicate that label, then you can click on the four-headed arrow and drag it down to the second block. So what you're basically doing then would be adding these labels to each and every block as you're done. Once you get your outline done, then you can start adding all the rest of the stuff. But first, let's just make sure that we have everything that we need on our individual outline that we use in class.